Hello students, today we are going to divide numbers. Is it true? You already know about it. Let us see. 6 divided by 2, which is is equals to 3. Now, do you know what is 6 in this division? 6 is called the dividend. And who divides this 6? That is 2. 2 is called divisor, and what is the answer? Answer is always my quotient. You already know about this. Okay, now this division can be written in the form of this step, which is called algorithm. This is the step of doing the division. Here dividend is kept inside of this bracket, and outside, which is divisor, which divides the number 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, then we put minus sign here and we take out the remainder. Here in this case, remainder is 0. Whenever the remainder is 0, we call it as exact division. Now suppose if I want to divide 7 by 2, I'll perform this algorithm. I'll keep 7 inside, divided by 2, then 2 into 3 is 6. I'll minus it out, and what will be my remainder? That means here 1 is my remainder. So you already know that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, these are the things you have done in the lower classes. Okay, next is the main topic is division algorithms for polynomials. Now, what is this? First of all, concentrate on this word division for polynomials. You already know how to divide polynomials. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of algorithm? Algorithm means steps. So, division steps for polynomials. Okay. What does it says? It says that if p of x and g of x are any two polynomials, p of x and g of x are any two polynomials with g of x is not equals to 0. G of x cannot be 0. Okay, then we can find q of x and r of x such that p of x is equals to gx into qx plus rx. What is this? This is nothing but dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. It is as simple as that. Okay, but one condition is there, that in this equation, degree of rx or remainder in terms of x, the degree of rx is always less than degree of gx. You will come to know when we will solve one example. Okay, so here is my example. P of x is given as 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and g of x is equals to x plus 2. We need to find out what is the q of x in this and what is r of x. So this division you have done in class 9th also. Let us do it once again. This is my dividend and this is my divisor, or in case of polynomials we can say it as factor. Okay, this is one of my factor of this polynomial. So I am going to divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 with x plus 2. So let's start it. Here in this 2x square, it is I have to find 2x square. What I will going to multiply in x so that I can get 2x square. Surely that x will be there and 2 will be there. So here you can verify that x into 2x square is equals to 2x square. So here I will write it as 2x. X into 2x will be 2x square. Okay. Now with this x, plus 2 is also given. That means this whole x plus 2 will be multiplied by this also. X is already multiplied with 2x. I've got it 2x square. Now plus 2 will be multiplied by 2x. Let us see what will happen if plus 2 is multiplied by 2x. Plus 2, that means 4x. So I'll write this is coming as positive. So I'll write here as 4x. Then I'll change the sign. Here nothing is written, that means plus. I'll change it to minus sign. Here plus is there, I'll change it to minus sign. Okay. So this plus and this minus will get cancel out. And here this is plus 3, and now this plus 4x is now minus 4x. So that means 3x plus 3x minus 4x will be minus x. Okay, now we will bring down this plus 1. Okay, now I will do the division. I have to multiply x with certain number which I don't know, which will get me to minus x. Surely minus 1 into x will be minus x. So I'll write it here as minus 1. X into minus 1 is minus x. Now this number is left, plus 2 into minus 1. Plus 2 into minus 1. What is the answer? That is minus 2. Here I will write as minus 2. And again, for subtracting, I will change the sign. Here minus is there, so I have put it to plus, and here minus sign is there, I will put it to plus. Okay, so this will get cancel out, and plus 1 and plus 2 is what? Plus 3. So have you got q of x and r of x? Yes, you have got q of x and r of x. What is my q of x? Q of x is 2x minus 1 and r of x is plus 3. Let us verify it. As you know, p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. G of x is my x plus 2 into q of x is what? 2x minus 1 plus r of x is what? 3. So this x into 2x is 2x square. X into minus 1 is minus x. Plus 2 into 2x will be plus 4x. Okay. And this plus 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2 plus 3. Again I can write it as 2x square, and minus x plus 4x will be plus 3x, and minus 2 plus 1 will be plus 1. This is my p of x. Okay, this is my p of x. Here you can see that 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and here also 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So that means I have divided it correctly. I hope you understood the division algorithm for polynomials.